Hi friends, today I am going to show you low cost cooler concept. So let us see the diagram. So this is the picture and of low cost cylinderical cooler on tripod. So from this figure we can see that this one is air outlet port, this one is cooler motor or cooler fan, and these are big holes for cooler, and this one is mosquito repellent mesh, and this is a funnel through which we can pour water, and this one is water tank. This is a simple diagram, and that too in a low cost budget we can make this cooler. This is the front view, and this is the inner view of the cooler. And in this inner view we can see this one is the cooler water pump, and this one is water steam or fountain. So water will go up, and through these big holes water will fall down. And here also from outside and inside we will use the mosquito repellent mesh. So from inside with the outer wall of the motor we have to install it up to half of its entire cylindrical space, because while the motor will start running, it will create low pressure zone through this portion, and it will suck more air from this portion. So to prevent that, we have to use this mosquito repellent mesh over here inside. And this structure is stable and it is on tripod, so on uneven planes or surface it can also work. And the difference between this concept and our conventional air cooler in market available on market is that on conventional air cooler we do have a cooling pad, and in this structure I have not used cooling pad, that honeycomb like cooling pad or any other cooling pad, because after using cooling pad for some years or some months or some season, it will give some very unpleasant odor. So to avoid that, I have used a non-cooling pad concept cooler, and here while the motor will start running on high speed, it will suck air from outside, and the line will cut, the water line will cut, the air will cut this water line, and air will enter through it and come out from air outlet. So this is very simple design and simple concept. I hope you will like it. So that is the science behind this structure, and thanks for watching.